All right, good people. This is Andra with Andra's Complete Publishing, your simple solution to writing and publishing your book. And if you do not know who I am, you can go to my website, andraspublishing.com, or you can call me 510-852-9024, free consultation, or you can go to Amazon and purchase my autobiography. It's called Simply Andra, and it talks about the process of becoming a wife, a mother, evangelist / Christian counselor, an author, and a writing coach. And I tell you, it has been an amazing trip. So this is on Amazon. You can invest in yourself and also in me. All right, so the tour, it is called This or That. And the OR stands for on, the O stands for on guard, the R stands for relevant. Now, on guard, it will reveal the mysteries of spiritual warfare by bringing understanding of how contrary, contending, and commissioned and compensated plays a part in your call or assignment for God. It is a program for those looking forward to recharge the vigor and catapult into their destiny by obtaining their spiritual arsenal from within. Why do you need a spiritual arsenal? Because the devil is trying to get you back into your old ways. That's why you have to be on guard. And so that's one product that's on this tour. The other product that's on this tour is Unlocking Your Book from Within is Relevant. And this book basically gets you from your idea to your rough draft. And within this workshop, you will be given the opportunity to get the exercise called Unlocked, and also get a mission, a handout for a mission for your book. And Unlocked basically can guarantee you a rough draft in 30 days, walk through the full process. The mission for your book, when you publish your book, you don't just publish it just to have it on Amazon. You publish it with a mission. And when you have that mission, then you won't be hard on yourself, or it would create activities for you to do to be able to push your message. Because when you write a book, you learn that you have a voice, you have a message, and a mission. And I help you get there. So there you have it. These are two products that I'm pushing this year from Andra's Complete Publishing. You have a choice to host this workshop or either attend one near you. So basically, if you want some spiritual warfare assistance, or you would like some manuscript assistance, you could just call me 510-852-9024, or you can email me, Andra's Publishing, Andra, A-N-D-R-A with an S, publishing @gmail.com. I would love to accommodate you. So there you have it. May God bless you abundantly. Please reach out to me, and also check out my autobiography so you can learn a little more about me. It is on Amazon. Simply Andra, a diamond in the rough, on Amazon.com. Have a good evening.